Mr. Beast's 422 million views thumbnail, regenerated in 2 minutes. Mark Roberts' 18 million views thumbnail, redesigned in 5 minutes. Did you know Mr. Beast spends $10,000 on a single thumbnail?
We probably spend around $5,000 to $10,000 a thumbnail, just making sure we get the right image and it's good. Because like the thumbnail makes the difference between 50 million views or 200 million.
By simply pasting the link of a YouTube video, the AI generates this unique thumbnail in just 1 minute. The similar thumbnail style had earned 163 million views on Stokes Twins' original video. With a few prompt adjustments, this AI tool designed a thumbnail as captivating as Mark Roberts in just 5 minutes. Plus, you can even swap faces by just a click. Today, I'll guide you how to recreate these stunning thumbnails and design your own attention-grabbing visuals to boost your views too, using Pikzels. So, hit that sub. Let's dive into Pikzels. I recently explored this AI thumbnail generator for YouTube, and it's absolutely amazing. Briefly, you have 2 creative options in Pikzels to work with. First is prompt to thumbnail, where you simply describe what you want, and Pikzels brings it to life. This method takes a maximum of 5 minutes to generate a stunning thumbnail. Second option is recreating thumbnail, where you have to paste the link to an existing YouTube thumbnail, and Pikzels will regenerate a similar yet unique version. This entire process takes just 1 minute. It's that quick. We will start from scratch with prompt to thumbnail feature first. Let's design a thumbnail inspired by Mark Roberts' latest viral video, which already boasts over 17 million views. Here's my prompt. A young man and a crow sitting in a room playing chess. The man is wearing trucker cap with hands on his face showing thinking posture. Both man and crow are looking towards each other. The thumbnail shows the concept of testing the world's smartest crow. Click generate, and after a few seconds, this is the result. Let's enlarge it. Here's what Pikzels crafted from our prompt, and here's Mark's actual thumbnail for comparison. If you're not satisfied with the result, simply hit redo to regenerate the thumbnail using the same prompt. Let's give it a try. After a bit of processing, here it is. The man's expression looks on the spot, but honestly, that crow still looks so unreal. So if you want to make changes in this image, you can do that by clicking on this edit button here. We will keep editing until we get the best thumbnail. Click on edit button and write down what changes do you want. For instance, make the man about 30 to 35 years old and make the crow look realistic. Hit generate again. And yes, now we can see obvious changes in the man from this one. Now let's go further. Make the man and crow face each other directly and modernize the chessboard while keeping the rest of the image same. Generate again, and great. Now we're getting somewhere. Now what's important here is that you have to apply changes one at a time for accurate result. For instance, let's zoom in to create a more dynamic and engaging image. Input the command and there it is. The crow looks incredibly real now. This thumbnail is now ready to compete head-to-head with Mark Roberts. Now if you want to make it even more engaging, add a hook like "Who wins?" at the top. With just one more click, Pikzels nails it. The text placement, color balance, and realistic imagery are spot on. We've now driven curiosity with this thumbnail, encouraging viewers to click exactly what you want. Here's where we started, and after just 5 minutes of iterative editing, here's our final competitive thumbnail. Another fantastic feature of Pikzels is the ability to recreate thumbnails. With this tool, you can easily generate thumbnails for your YouTube content by referencing someone else's video. For this example, let's recreate the thumbnail from the Stokes Twins' most popular video, I build 4 secret rooms in one color, which has racked up an incredible 162 million views. I mean, wow. Back to Pikzels. Start by clicking on Recreate. Provide the link to the Stokes YouTube video by copying and pasting it, or alternatively, upload the thumbnail directly. Next, set the inspiration weight, which determines how closely your thumbnail will resemble the reference. You can choose between low, medium, or high similarity. For this demonstration, we'll go with high inspiration weight. In the changes section, you can specify any adjustments you'd like compared to the reference thumbnail. For now, we'll leave it blank and click Generate to see the magic. A little bit of processing time, and here we go. This is actually a great recreation of the Stokes Twins thumbnail. Now with Pikzels, You have all the flexibility you need. You can redo the image, edit it, or even change the inspiration weight to adjust the output. Let's try redoing this thumbnail to see what we get. All right, this one's a bit funny. The girl is definitely not a girl, but on the bright side, I actually like the design of the doors in this version better than the previous one. Let's fix it. Click on Edit and specify, change the characters to a real man and woman while keeping the rest of the image the same. Click Generate, and here we go. It's absolutely stunning. Pikzels nailed the adjustments, and the final thumbnail is not only accurate, but also visually captivating. Download and compare the Stokes Twins original thumbnail with the one generated by Pikzels, and it's absolutely insane how close the recreation is. Now let's experiment with the inspiration weight settings. Change the inspiration weight to medium, then click Generate. Next, set it to low and click Generate again. And here we go. Here are all three thumbnails, from low inspiration weight to medium to high. Honestly, I like all three of these versions. And the best part? All of these recreations are 100% unique compared to the Stokes thumbnail. When you put the original thumbnail and the Pikzels generated thumbnail side by side, you'll notice that while the design takes inspiration, every detail is unique and not directly copied. Now you might be wondering, is replicating other content thumbnails allowed? Let's talk about that. To address this question, let's take a look at some of the top YouTubers. For instance, MrBeast created a thumbnail with a shark, which earned an incredible 198 million views. Then, Mark Robber followed a similar format and got 118 million views. Even the Stokes Twins used a shark-themed thumbnail and racked up 131 million views. So in my opinion, creating similar thumbnails with unique changes is not only common, but highly effective.